For more this week when Pepsi gives you the chance to win signed lyrics of Dark Horse.
Welcome back to Ridiculousness. I need to make an apology to Chanel. Because first of all, I know we kind of made it seem like maybe you're super drunk all the time.
Yeah, it's cold.
Is
that a brain freeze?
Oh no, I know you're more of a lady.
He's spilling it all over you.
Let's talk about the early days of high school.
Okay.
Let's talk about your cheerleading history.
Guilty.
I was on varsity cheerleading.
So was there ever a point where you're getting hopped around?
Yeah, I was a flyer.
Oh, you were a flyer?
I'm small, of course I was.
So what do you call that person that makes sure you don't get hurt?
I don't know, the catcher? I don't know.
Spotter?
Spotter! Oh my god!
Here, hold it.
Okay, well apparently I know more about cheerleading than you.
Which is weird.
Alright, this category is dedicated to spotters, but blind ones.
Okay.
Okay, send her up.
Watch that, watch that. Oh, I saw that when they threw her in the air.
Can you see if you can get your shoe inside my mouth?